in as much as farming is concerned, and in as much as, because many people still don't know the essence of all these things that we are doing. In as much as you want to be a farmer, there are some things you need to consider. You don't understand? Now, being a farmer, there are so many things that are involved. If you look here, this is my plantain farm. I mean my vegetable farm. I know it's not that big, but I can tell you that it's worth it. Yes. I can tell you that it is worth it. This is my little vegetable farm in my backyard. And in this community, it was told us that everybody should hold their goat too. But some people have left their goats on leash. And if you look closely, which I know you will not see, you will see that this is my vegetable plant, my pumpkin vegetable plant, they are not doing well. Not because of I did not take care of them, but because of what some natural effects. So if you want to be a farmer, you should be able. Farming is not for faint-hearted people. It's not for people who are faint-hearted. Before you go get high blood, you don't understand. So what is there is, this is my little vegetable farm. With my effort I have put inside here, look at what goat has done. Goats, look at. I cannot boast of even having 100, let's say 200 naira pumpkin vegetable to even sell. Why? Because of goats. When it's as if it's coming out, the goat will disturb it. When it looks as if it's coming out, the goat will disturb. And once a goat puts its mouth in any of your plants, it is finished. Otilo is gone. So you as a farmer, or you want to venture into farming, be careful of these natural disasters. Yes, because goat is a disaster. You don't understand? So what is there is simple, as people will say, simple as ABC. With all the effort we have put inside this farm to make sure that this farm stands the way it is now. But they still goat, they don't agree, make this thing grow. She don't see them. Know that they see them now. Look, you can see it has stunted the growth. My vegetable is struggling, and they think God is happy. So my fans all around the world, what do you suggest I do to these goats which are disturbing my farm? I don't want to keep person goat. I don't want to kill any goats. You don't understand? But I'll just allow God to do his thing. So if you have watched this video to this point, and this is the first time you're seeing my channel, or you're seeing my videos across TikTok and YouTube and Facebook. On TikTok, please hit the plus button to follow, and then on YouTube, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a new video just like this one. You don't understand? Because I am your number one. Yes, this is your number one favorite agriculturist, Emeka and Josie Agri. I'll see you guys in the next video.